Hello and welcome. So I'm at the CMT Trade Fair, the second largest RV event in Europe, possibly the world. We've got lots and lots of motorhomes and campervans and caravans to see here, and so having a walk around gives you a little bit of an idea of what you can actually see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this camper van right here to show you this. It's called the Admiral. It says it's a pure yacht feeling. It is a Fiat Ducato camper van, and it will cost, and I kid you not, nearly 80,000 euros, 636 centimeters in length. And now, when one buys a Fiat Ducato camper van, they're all the same. Well, some of them are on a Citroen and some of them are on a Peugeot, but other than that, they are largely all the same. So what you will buy on is what it looks like, the cosmetic bits. And let's face it, for cosmetic bits, this one here is very, very nice. So lovely panels on the front of here. We have it open this up if I can. Oh, lots of space in there. We can put the bed here has been joined together, but you can actually have two singles. You can see there's a bit more to put down there. We've got Frovi system below, and below that we've also got, of course, more storage. We've got what Carthago cheekily called a double floor, which is a separators down there for keeping things like under it. Maybe you'll keep outdoor tables and chairs. Lots of space in here, it seems. Lovely bright washroom, toilet, shower, fixed sink, wonderful use of indirect lighting. Here we've got two burners. We've got the sink. Now this is admittedly more unusual, the location of this sink. If I pull this thing out, sorry, that's on that. See it? I pull that out there. There's your sink. Now that is a bit odd. Looks nice. And below that we have this as well. This pull-out unit here. I think that's pretty good myself. Looks often you find in this position a fridge. Not on this one. Fridge is over here. And below that we've got a wardrobe as well. So it looks really, really nice, very attractive. I'll let this lady speak if she's going to speak whilst showing you around the vehicle, but she's not going to speak, so I'm not going to let her speak. I really like the floor covering. It looks great, but the point is this: there's no difference between this and a vehicle costing literally 30,000 euros less, and it's manufactured in the same factory. I'm not suggesting 30,000 years, but it's a bit it's somewhere else. It's exactly the same factory. There's a number of companies in the Trigano group, of which Mobilvetta Design is one. We've got EuraMobil, also expensive camper vans like this, but there's brands like Roller Team, Foster. They're all much cheaper. I'll take you on to the bank. So, okay, got some cosmetic things here, such as this, what I refer to as the double floor, or rather Carthago's cheekily calling it a double floor. We've got this here, and they've got space for two gas cylinders. Now, it's a superbly attractive vehicle, and if you want a superbly attractive vehicle, and this is what you think of as being superbly attractive, then it is for you. But do, of course, bear in mind some of the other things I've told you about, which refers to this vehicle. So Thanks so much for watching and for being with me today, and all the best from me in Stuttgart.